we shall see how to solve a system of linear equations with matrix method. Here we have an example: 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 1, 5x plus 2y minus 6z equal to 5, 3x minus y minus 4z equal to 7. First of all, we shall write down the system in matrix form. Ax equal to b, where capital A is coefficient matrix, x is the column matrix of unknowns, and b is the column matrix of the values on the right hand side of the system. So we have to write the augmented matrix. Here matrix A is there and we have column of matrix B. Let us reduce this augmented matrix to its echelon form by using row transformations. So we shall perform these operations. R2 will change to 2R2 minus 5R1. For R3 we shall perform 2R3 minus 3R1. Then corresponding values gives us this matrix. Again we want 0 here, so we perform the row transformation, minus 1 into R2, then R3 minus 5R1, so that we get this matrix. Now this is echelon form of the augmented matrix, and here we can see that rank of augmented matrix is same as rank of A, which is equal to 3. So the system has unique solution. We again write equations from that matrix. So rewriting equations, we have 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 1, y minus 3z is equal to minus 5, minus 14z is equal to minus 14. Let us solve this system with the help of back substitution. From the last equation we have z equal to 1. Substituting in previous equation we get y equal to minus 2, and substituting values of y and z in the first equation we get x is equal to 3. So the solution of the system is x equal to 3, y equal to minus 2, and z is equal to 1. Let us solve another system of equations: x plus y plus 2z equal to minus 2, 3x minus y plus 14z equal to 6, x minus 2y equal to minus 5. Again write this system in matrix form as Ax equal to b, where A is this coefficient matrix, x is this matrix of unknowns, and b is the matrix of the values on the right hand side. We shall first of all write down augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is this matrix A with column B. To solve the system, we shall reduce this augmented matrix to its row echelon form. So for this we shall perform row transformations on this matrix, so that we want 0 here and here. So let us perform the operations: R2 minus 3R1 and R3 minus R1. The matrix, augmented matrix, becomes this. Again next we shall perform the operation minus 1 by 4 R2, so that we have this matrix. We want 0 here, so we perform the transformation R3 plus 3 times R1. Now this is echelon form of the matrix, and rank of augmented matrix it's same as rank of A, which is 3. So the system has unique solution. We write the equations from this augmented matrix. So rewriting equations, First equation, x plus y plus 2z equal to minus 2, then y minus 2z is equal to minus 3, minus 8z is equal to minus 12. Using back substitution, we can solve this system from the last equation. Z is 3 by 2. Using this value of z in previous equation, y is 0, and using these two values in the first equation we get x is equal to minus 5. So the solution of the system is x is minus 5, y is 0, and z is 3 by 2. Let us have third example. Solve the system. X minus 2y equal to 1, x minus y minus 2z equal to minus 2, minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 6. So first let us write the system in matrix form as Ax equal to b, where A is this coefficient matrix, capital X is column matrix of unknowns, and this is the matrix B of the constants on right hand side of the system. We write augmented matrix. This is augmented matrix, matrix A with column B. To solve the system, we shall reduce the augmented matrix to its row echelon form. So we shall perform row transformations so that we have 0 here, performing R2 minus R1 gives us this. Then again we want 0 here, so we shall perform the transformation R3 minus R2. Now this is echelon form of augmented matrix, so we can say that rank of augmented matrix is 2, which is same as rank of A, and this number is less than number of variables, so system has infinitely many solutions. Let us write the system in equations. So rewriting equations, we have x plus y plus 2z equal to minus 2 and y minus 2z equal to minus 3. Here we have only two equations and variables are 3. Therefore, we have one free variable. We have, so z is the free variable. We shall write z equal to t, where t is any real number. Substituting this z in the last equation, we can have y equal to minus 3 plus 2t. Similarly, substituting these values of y and z in the first equation, we have x is equal to 1 minus 4t. Thus, solution of the system is x equal to 1 minus 4t, y equal to minus 3 plus 2t, and z equal to t, where t is any real number